Hey friends, if you wish to legally download Office 2021, 2019 or 2016 for free from Microsoft, then please watch this video. So the answer is no, you cannot download these for free unless you're doing it illegally through some cracking site, which I do not recommend. But here's what you can do. You can search for office.com and hit enter. Okay, do it on your Microsoft Edge browser, not on any other browser, but on the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select more tools, select apps, and install the site as an app. Now install it. It will open up as an app and you will be logged in. So you will be able to use a few of these free tools, for example, Excel and other tools. And you'll have to create an app for each of these tools separately. So these are free of cost, and they are not as good as the paid version, but they will still be work friendly for you. They will do the job for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.